Microsoft has officially confirmed Windows 11 version 26H2. The update is expected to arrive in October 2026. Unlike major Windows releases, 26H2 is a small update focused on faster installation and longer support. If your PC is already running Windows 11 version 24H2 or 25H2, upgrading to 26H2 will take only a few minutes and require a single restart. Microsoft has also confirmed that there are no new hardware requirements. Any PC that supports Windows 11 version 24H2 or 25H2 will support version 26H2. The minimum requirements remain unchanged, with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and a 1 GHz or faster 64-bit dual-core processor. Windows 11 26H2 will receive support until October 2028 for home and pro users, while Enterprise and Education editions will be supported until October 2029. Microsoft says 26H2 is not a major feature update. New features will continue to arrive through monthly Windows updates instead of large annual releases. That's everything you need to know about Windows 11 version 26H2. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows and tech news.